The heights in meters of trees in a large forest have a normal distribution with mean 40 and standard deviation 8. You have come across information, make a note. Mean is 40, standard deviation is 8. Next, find the probability that a tree chosen at random in this forest has a height within 5 meters of the mean. Okay, read this one more time. Within 5 meters of the mean, you need to find the probability within 5 meters from the mean, of the mean. Okay, now how do you understand it means? See, if I say this is a normal distribution curve and here is the mean, within 5 meters of the mean, he just said within 5 meters. It could be either to the left side or to the right side. If I take right side, here will be mu plus 5, and if I take left side, this will be mu minus 5. He didn't specify left or right. That means you should find this entire area. It could be either towards the right or towards the left. He didn't specify, so you should find both. So this entire area is nothing but the probability. That is what you need to find out. Clear? Within. So from the mean within 5 meters. So it could be on the left side or on the right side. Okay. Now, how do I find it out means in this way? See, I find the entire left side of mu plus 5, this entire area. From that, we should remove entire left side of mu minus 5. Understand this, man. Mu minus 5 will be here, let us say. So from the entire area, if I remove this area, I get the in-between part. That is this part. Clear with this explanation? No doubts, right? From the total, remove this, you will get the in-between area. Now, how do I represent it means? See. So this is P of mu minus 5 less than x less than mu plus 5. And here it is entire left side of mu plus 5. So x less than mu plus 5 minus P of, this is entire left side of mu minus 5. So x less than mu minus 5. Clear? Now, in every normal distribution sum, we should also make use of this one, and that is P of x less than n is nothing but phi of n minus mean by standard deviation. Here you should check out for this symbol. This should be less than. Only then P will get converted to phi. The symbol should be less than, only then P will get converted to phi. Clear? Now, come here. Here the symbol is less than, so P will get converted to phi. Phi of mu plus phi minus mean by standard deviation. Okay, next. Minus. Here also the symbol is less than, so here also P will get converted to phi. So phi of mu minus phi minus mean by standard deviation. Now, see, does anything gets cancelled out? Yes. And that is mu and mu. You are left with phi by standard deviation minus. Here also what gets cancelled? Mu and mu. You are left with minus phi by standard deviation. Next, phi of phi by standard deviation minus. Now you should make that negative to positive, and for that you should do 1 minus. So 1 minus phi of phi by standard deviation. Clear? See man, whenever you are doing 1 minus, the negative will get converted to positive. Clear? Now open up the bracket in this way. So I get minus 1 plus phi of 5 by standard deviation. Now you see these two are same. So I get 2 times of 5 by standard deviation and minus 1. Clear? Now replace standard deviation now. How much is it given? 8. So it is 2 times of 5 by 8 minus 1. Now put this in the calculator and take up to 3 decimal places and we will get 0.625 minus 1. Now this value you will get from normal distribution table, and that you should get it to be 0.734 minus 1. See man, if any doubts in using normal distribution table, look at the playlist given in the description. Okay. So put this in the calculator. You should get the answer to be 0.468. Clear? This is how we do within sums. Within or between, both are the same.